So my finance tip of the week is going to be about the budget, and the budget about how to maintain it so we're not just swiping away credit cards and expenses when we get paid. So I like to do this two ways. I have a regular checking account that all of my money, my payroll, everything goes into. I know what my expenses are going to be for that month, and then I can transfer it straight to savings with any excess that I know that I need to put into my savings so it's not sitting in the checking. I also have a separate checking account that my debit card is tied to. Some people do this as a credit card. I like to do it as a debit card because if you are have somebody like my husband, is he doesn't look at the books. He doesn't know what we have in the account. So he just starts swiping away, and when it's out, it's out. So I can control it by putting it into a checking account, tied it to a debit card. And so therefore we know exactly what we're going to spend for the month for gas, for nights and dinners, if we need to run through fast food for the kids because we're out at a baseball game, something like that. We have that in a separate account, and we know what our budget is for the month. So therefore, it's not mixed into our regular account where money might be sitting in there to pay the bills. So there's my finance tip. I'm Jenay Bowen, and I will talk to you soon.